Hi guys, how you doing? Well, I'm supposed to be going away this week. I've got a couple of weeks off work. Now work's quiet. Unfortunately this week, a piece of slate fell off the roof and went through my car windscreen, so I couldn't go away. I've just had that fixed. I've had a little bit of conjunctivitis as well, which I think I got off the cat. But that's all being ready, so I'm going away next week. Now what I'm going to do this week is, next week is a little bit different. I'm not going to plan where I'm going. I'm just literally going to drive up the east coast of the UK, and wherever I stop or think it's about right, I'm going to find a site to go to. I am getting all my kit prepared. It's sort of here now. I've had a bit of a kit review. Always a good idea to go through your kit and see what you've got, remember where everything is, and organise it in the right way. So I've got all that sorted out. So I'm just going to literally arrive somewhere and Google it and just see. It may be a wild camping place. It may be a commercial site with showers and toilets and shops. I don't really care. I'm just going to decide to, where I fancy going. Doesn't matter. The kit I've got is more than enough to cope with whatever I decide to do. But it's just going to be like a relaxing time as well. So I may be roughing it, I may not. It doesn't really matter. And of course, I'm going to take you with me, aren't I? Because that's what I do. So look out for my next videos. And we'll see where it takes me. And until then, take care and I'll see you soon.